Hi, welcome to Lazy Home Cook. Today I'll be cooking a Korean traditional seaweed soup, also known as miyeok-guk. Here are some of the ingredients. We're gonna use some sesame oil, soy sauce, salt, good old black pepper, and then minced garlic. This is Korean seaweed beef. It is not the right type of beef that is normally traditionally used for this type of soup, but this is what I have in the refrigerator, so this is what I'm gonna be using. This has been sitting in water for about an hour. Normally when you buy it in the supermarket, it's gonna come dry, and you're gonna need to put it in water and let it sit and rest. Now it's time to cut the seaweed. I'm just gonna be using a Korean style of scissors. Just added the sesame oil. The heat is about medium to low heat. I'm gonna put in the meat now. Stir fry this a little bit. As you can see, the meat is not fully cooked yet, so I'm gonna start putting in the seaweed. Some minced garlic. And I'm gonna add the rest of the soy sauce. So I like to stir it and cook it for about maybe 6 to 7 minutes on medium heat. And now that it's ready, I'm gonna be pouring in some water. I like to use filtered water. All right, so I'm gonna leave it at 6 cups. You can add more salt later. And if you're not sure about the salty level, put less salt in. And then once it starts boiling, and it's been boiling for a little bit, you wanna lower the heat and let it simmer. About another maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So now we are done.